The narration, that is the important lesson for class 10 and 9 in CBSE course for class 9 10. Here this narration, it is known as with different names like reported speech, direct indirect speech. This is narration. In this narration, we have to know about direct speech and indirect speech, because this direct speech changes into indirect and indirect changes into direct, and in under transformation, this is asked in examination under the transformation, also it is known as transformation. So first of all, what is direct speech? So when the words are written as the speaker has spoken, that is known as direct speech. Here it is, he said to me, I am ready. He said to me, I am ready. So he said to me, I am ready. So I am ready, that it is direct speech, because I am ready was spoken by he, and as it was spoken, in the same way it is written. And in the second sentence, he told me that he was ready. This is indirect speech. Here, so many people define this direct and indirect in different ways. They tell that sentence where the speech is written under inverted comma is called direct speech, and where the speech is written indirectly and reported by the speaker, or they are joined by the speech is joined by that to, if it is he, then that is indirect speech. In this way they are also speaking. So direct and indirect speech we have to understand. So in simple we tell that if it is written as it was spoken, then it is direct, and when it is reported by the speaker and changes is done, that is indirect. Now we have to know the reporting verb and reported speech. They are in a direct speech sentence. There two parts are there. First one is this, he said to me, that is out of inverted comma, that is reporting verb, and I am ready, which is under inverted comma, that is reported speech. And reported speech changes. When reported speech has been changed, he said to me, I am ready, the indirect speech is, he told me that he was ready. Now you see what has changed. First thing, that comma and inverted comma, that has been omitted, and that has been written here. That has been written. One change is this. This is known as change of punctuation. So change of punctuation is done. One change is done in every sentence. Either it is imperative, optative, interrogative, any sentence, affirmative. Everywhere that change of punctuation. Another change you see, I is changed into he. I is changed into he. That is change of person. Am is changed into was. Was. That is change of tense. And other changes also, if there is now, then, here, there. So other changes are, so four types of changes are there. First, change of person. Second, change of tense. Third, change of punctuation. And fourth, other change of other words. Here one thing more we have to know, he says to me. Their reporting verb is in present tense, says. He says to me. He says to me, I am ready. And here he says to me, reporting verb is in present tense. Then rule is, if reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, then tense of the reported speech does not change. This is why reported speech is, He tells me that he is ready. Here is RM has changed into is only, present in present only. No change because tense does not change. If reporting verb is present tense or future tense, he says to me is present tense, then I am ready. Only change of person will be done, other changes will be done, but change of tense won't be done. So that is an introduction about change of narrations. Now there are four changes. So first change of person we shall know. So change of person, how the change of person is done. There is one very popular formula that SON, and under it they write 1, 2, 3. This shows that subject changes according to first person changes according to subject, second person of the reported speech changes according to object, and third person does not change. So this becomes clear when we see the examples. But seeing the example before this, we have to know about subject and object of a direct speech. Here in the first sentence we shall see he says to me. Here he is subject. He is subject. The speaker is subject. And me is object. This me is object. And if in here I am your friend, that is reported speech, and this I, that is a change of person, this I will change. I is first person, I first person, and first person changes according to subject. So he says to me, first thing is says to. All the sentences here are change of person are written in present tense, because in present tense change of tense change is not needed. So in present, so says to changes into tells. He says to me, he tells me that, in place of comma, inverted comma, that I first person I first person, and it changes according to subject. Subject is here he. Then in the place of I, it will be he. And with I am is used, but with he are is with he is used. Is or am you have to use in this sentence according to the subject. I am, and here I changes into he, then he is. And your, second person it is, and second person changes according to object. So in place of your will be my. He is my friend. He says to me, I am your friend. He tells me that he is my friend. So here first person and second persons are only. I is first person, your is second person. I has changed according to he, and your has changed according to me. Second one, he tells me you are my friend. He tells me, and that you is second person. You will change according to object I. You will change according to object. So in the place of you there is I, and with I am is used. I am my first person. This changes according to subject he. My will change according to subject he. So the answer will be he tells me that I am your friend. Third one, he says to me I am his friend. Here I first person will change according to he. and his is third person, no change. Answer will be, he tells me that he is his friend. I will change into he, and with he is used, and his will not change because third person it is. Fourth one, here answer I have not written, you guess the answer, and then I am also speaking. Ram says to me, I am your friend. Number 4, Ram says to me, I am your friend. What will be answer? That indirect speech. Ram tells me that I will change according to Ram. In place of I, it will be he. He is my friend. Ram tells me that he is my friend. Another. Sita says to me, I am your friend. Answer will be, Sita tells me that she is my friend. I will change into she because I is first person and in place of subject is Sita. So pronoun she will be used. She is my friend. Your will change according to me, my. Now last, the sixth one. Sixth one is, they say to me, we help you. It will be, they tell me that they help me. We first person will change according to they, and you is second person will change according to me, and answer will be, they tell me that they help me, and this is change of person. Okay, now other change. Two changes we shall do in this first part. In this first part we shall do two changes about. So change of persons we have done. Now how change of tense is done. So you have known that when reporting verb is in past tense, then tense of the reported speech changes. How it changes tense of reported speech? That just as simple present changes into simple past. Yeah. So one example I am speaking. He said to me, I help you. I help you, that is simple present. I help, simple present. So I will change into he. Help will change into helped, simple past. And you will change into me. He said to me, I help you. The answer will be, he told me that he helped me. I into he, help into helped, and you into me, second person according to object. Second thing is, if reported speech is in present continuous, it changes into past continuous. The change of person is done as I have told earlier, but change of tense is done in this way. Example is, he said to me, I am helping you. I am helping you. It is present continuous. So I into he, and is or am changes into was where. So it will be, he told me that he was helping me. That is present continuous. I am helping you. It is present continuous. And he was helping me. That is past continuous. After doing change of person. Third one, if it is in present perfect. He said to me, I have helped you. It changes into past perfect. He told me that he had helped me. Fourth one, that is present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. He said to me, I have been helping you. Answer is, he told me that he had been helping me. It means has been, have been changes into had been. Has, have changes into had. So that is change of person for present tense. If the reported speech is in present tense. The next thing is, what if the reported speech and reporting verb both are in past tense? So here is the rule, that in the middle one, that is, when the reported speech and reporting verb both are in past tense, then what happens? So if the reported speech is in simple past, then it changes into past perfect. It proceeds forward, giving one gap. Number 1 changes into number 3, means simple past changes into past perfect, and number 2 changes into number 4, means past continuous changes into past perfect continuous, and number 3 no change tense, number 4 no change, means past perfect remains past perfect continuous remains past perfect continuous. This is one for past. Now I am telling you with example. Number 1, past number 1, simple past changes into past perfect. How? If there is, he said to me, I helped you. Helped, that is verb 2, will change into had helped. He told me that he had helped me. Simple past into past perfect. Helped into had helped. Second one, past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Example, he said to me, I was helping you. I'm sorry, he told me that he had been helping me. Had been helping, was helping, was where changes into had been, was helping into had been helping. So he told me that he had been helping me. Third one, no change. He said to me, third one, past perfect, no change. He said to me, I had helped you. He told me that he had helped me. And fourth also no change. He said to me, I had been helping you. He told me that he had been helping me. So this past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses change does not take. Other things are also we have to know. One thing is that shall will changes into would, should. In should, if question sentences only, in the would only, shall and will both changes into would in affirmative sentences, negative sentences. But if it is a question sentence, shall changes into should. So people tell shall will into should would. So shall will into would. And second is can into could, may into might. One example I am telling of may into might. He said to me, you may go out. He told me that I might go out. He said to me, may you get long life. He wished that I might, may into might. Another, third one, was where into had been. One example, he said to me, I was there. He told me that he had been there. Was into had been. One more is there. Is RM into was where. Just as he said to me, I am your friend. He told me that he was my friend. Have has into had. He said to me, I have done this. He told me that he had done that. Another, was where into had been. I told you. He said to me, I was present. He told me that he had been present. And could, would, should, might, they generally do not change. They remain the same. He said to me, I would help you. He told me that he would help me. That is change of tense only. So if this you have understood, then change of person and change of tense you have known. Now in the second part I will send you change of punctuation with other changes. Okay.